Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well. Haven't made a video in a few weeks, so I figured we'd turn on the camera and kind of see what's going on, right? It's Easter today, so I hope everybody is having a happy Easter or had a happy Easter, depending on when you see this video. But yeah, we're just kind of milling about outside, kind of contemplating our next move. Like I said, I think we're probably going to go out to Lucap today and just kind of see what's going on. We haven't been out there in, geez, I don't know, what, a few years, hon?
We were
no.
almost 3 years or
Has it really been that long? I mean, we live right down the street and we just, I don't know. I never see a reason to go out there, I guess. So we'll head out there today and kind of see how the Lucap Wharf and the 100 Islands tourist scene is looking these days. So here's what we got going on at the house currently. We got dogs chewing on foreign objects. What do we got there? What? What do we got? What's that?
she's up.
What do we got there? Chloe? Yep, that's Chloe. And then we have Chewy.
Hello, baby.
Yeah.
Hello, Pooh.
Chewy.
She loves to get around.
And we got the old Jam Jam.
Oh, daddy.
She's wagging her tail, looking happy, right? And then we got over here hiding under the table, little Miss in Heat. Is
Chewy,
Kimchi. Actually, Chewy's in heat too. This one that we just, yep, she's in heat. Supposedly, well, I think so. Yeah, she was bleeding last night. And then this one, hopefully, will not be so in any. And hopefully, well, hopefully she won't be in heat anytime soon. That's what I'm trying to say. So, anyways, guys, we will take a quick pause, start kind of getting ready, and then we'll catch up with you later when we're doing the Lucap thing. Okay. Okay, so it's been a while since we've been here. And just at first glance, I can tell there's been some changes. For instance, that building over there was not here the last time we were here. So it's a new hotel. The Proxy. Looks nice. That's something they needed out here for sure. We'll get a, huh? 4-star? We'll have to go get a closer look at that one. Wow, check this out, man. It's looking pretty nice out here. I would say it's been about 2 years. Pretty cool. So it's Easter Sunday. I'm guessing there's probably going to be a lot of people out here, so that's always good. People get out of the house and like us.
We have to go to 100 Islands again. So.
Yeah, we tend to go to 100 Islands. Well, I'm starting the tradition, I guess, like every 3 years. And this year would be the 3rd year because we went in April of 2022 and it's now April 2025, so we're pretty much due for a trip out to the 100 Islands. And holy crap, man. Yeah, it looks really nice out here. It almost looks like a whole new Lucap Wharf, doesn't it?
That's why Mel always said, come over out there.
Yeah. Holy
Now
wow.
she's not feeling well.
Let me see. Yeah, it looks really nice out here. Much nicer than it was before, I think. So yeah, those are the 100 Islands out there. We'll be probably making a trip out there. I'm thinking around the beginning of June. Right as we're kind of sort of getting into the rainy season, but not quite. It's okay. So pretty. And there's Maxine by the Sea restaurant over there. And all the boats parked up here. These are the ones that'll take you out. Out to the islands. What's the word of the day? What's the word of the day? You don't know, right? Word of the day.
Anong pangalan ng ng bangka niyo? Nag-aano kayo ng bangka? I-shout out niyo na.
Shout out kay Tito Boy!
Okay, Tito Boy. All right. Sounds good. Take care, guys.
Thank you.
Yep. Camera shy. Beautiful day out. People having fun, celebrating Easter, celebrating life. Celebrating the resurrection of Jesus Christ. those vendors. Maybe we'll take a quick peek over there. Let's take a look and see what's going on down in this section. So I guess you could say we're what, on the east end? The Mermaids Cafe. And then some other various snack stands, food stands, whatever. We ate out here one time, didn't we, hon? A long time ago. Over there, I think. Yeah. Woo, hot, 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 hot. So yeah.
Even my eyes is sweating.
Oh, they completely blocked this down. Yeah, let's take a walk over this end. The Island Tropic. We used to eat here quite a bit, but not so much anymore. There's too many times where we attempted to go up there and eat, and there's no, I don't know, they had like reservations for parties, so we couldn't sit down. There was a couple other times where there are always, not always, but a lot of times there was reasons why we couldn't.
Because they don't have a chef.
They don't have a cook or a chef. It got to the point where I just gave up, because it seems like most of the times we wanted to go eat there, we couldn't sit down and eat. So why waste your money and your time coming out here if you can't sit down and eat, right? What's that, hon?
Still a lot of tourists.
Oh yeah, those are all people getting ready to load up and go. So who knows, a lot of these people coming from out of town, I'm sure. Yeah, we got buses and all kinds of cars out here. So,
those are the shells.
what's that?
You see that?
Oh yeah.
Those are
mga seashells po.
When I was a kid growing up, we had one of these in our house.
yeah.
Yeah, we did.
Shells, sir.
And I always used to put it to my ear to see if,
Yeah, you can always.
when I was a little.
If you want to be
little
close
boy.
on the ocean, you can just.
Yeah. I want a big one though. Again, those are nice.
Taga dito din na kayo.
Sige lang, tawag ka lang. Yan, ma'am.
You see this one, so nice.
Yeah.
We can have
This
some
is
on our,
just like the one
on
we
our
had in
There's
our
a
house.
helmet shells, sir.
Oh, okay. I see what's going on.
helmet shell.
Ito, ma'am, lalaki siya.
Pretty cool.
Manipis po, baba.
Babae. We can put on our new.
We're limited on funds though, so I don't know.
Andito ka naman pala.
Funds as in what I brought with us.
Ay, depende.
Pwede siya lagyan ng pangalan niyo kung gusto niyo po. Free name na po yun.
You can put your name here. Terrace.
Nice.
Pag ano na tayo. Hindi ko.
Pretty cool.
I'm talking and then I thought. You know the
All right.
in our
So there's no shortage of souvenirs here at 100 Islands. What's that, babe? I'm sorry.
I said in the Kubo the hanging display that's already
At the Cuba, what?
our hanging display in the Kubo is already broken.
Is it really?
Yeah.
What broke? How did it break?
The nylon thing.
Oh, okay. Let's snoop and poop through here real quick. Yeah, it's Pretty warm. Globe.
Hey, come on, come on.
All kinds of stuff, huh? Hello. Ooh, man, is it warm. Want to go out this way?
You want to go and check
The hotel? Yeah, let's take a look, quick peek at it.
Yeah.
Let's go take a look at this new hotel that we haven't seen yet. Oh. Suppose Kuya won't let us go through, right?
Pwedeng pumasok po yan. Pwedeng pumasok po.
Oh, we don't need to go in there now. But there it is.
Sir, that is the Proxy Hotel, sir.
Okay.
Restaurant, sir.
It's a
We have a
Oh.
pool right inside, sir. We have a pool inside.
Oh wow. Proxy plus hotel.
Yes, sir.
They needed a new hotel out here.
Yes, sir.
And I'm
This
glad to
is,
This is gonna be the first 4-star hotel in the province.
Is it? Yeah, it was about time.
You can go check it out, sir.
Can we?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just real quick and then we'll come back right away.
For ocular, sir. For ocular.
Yeah.
That's it. So you can proceed, sir, at the lobby and you can ask for inquiry, sir.
Oh, great. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Yeah, we'll take a look and see what they got going on out here.
So at least we can put on the app.
The Proxy plus.
They have restaurant.
Yeah. The first 4-star hotel. I would say not just Lucap, but Alaminos.
Ocean Grill.
Holy crap, yeah, it's gonna look nice out here, guys. Might want to give it
There's a pool also.
a few weeks, few months, if even, and then wait for everything to materialize out here and then pay a visit. I want to give it a little bit more time and see what happens inside this area here, because I bet they're gonna Ocean Grill. I bet they're gonna build up something nice inside there too.
Ocean Grill.
Ocean Grill, whatever that. Well, Ocean Grill, I guess. I would say give it a little bit of time and then come out here and check this out. But in the meantime, it looks like this is all finished. Whatever we got. Oh wow, these are those really nice, like, little cabanas, whatever.
Cabanas along the.
I bet that's what that is. Boy, this is nice.
Yeah, there's a pool of swimming pool.
Like an infinity pool, maybe? Oh, nice. Where are the dogs? Where's Chloe? Where's Chewy? Oh, wait, I got one creeping over here.
Uh-oh, you let my plant fall again.
We made it, guys. We're home. We're home.
Where's Clow Clow? Where are you?
They're happy to see us, I think.
He's so hungry, he's so tired. Hey, Jerry. Oh, she's crying.
Oh, look at you. Oh, what did you do wrong? Huh? You look guilty. What did you do wrong? Yeah. Oh. Oh, you big monster. That's my baby right there, isn't it? Yeah, my baby girl. Yeah. Good to see you, huh? Good to see you, girl. Okay, well, that pretty much concludes our afternoon at Lucap Wharf, and then a quick trip over to Suki Market and Kamar Market. Pick up some fruit and some charcoal for the grill tonight. So it's still part of our Easter festivities here for the day. So we're gonna cook on the grill, play with the dogs, enjoy the rest of the day, and I hope you do the same. So thanks for watching. and we'll catch you on the next one, hopefully. All right, take care, guys. Bye.